Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you Replit versus Cursor. Which is better? When comparing Replit and Cursor as AI-powered development tools, the choice really depends on your workflow and skill level. Starting with Replit, this is a cloud-based IDE perfect for quick prototyping and beginner-friendly coding. It supports over 50 languages, offers real-time multiplayer collaboration, built-in hosting, GitHub integration, and auto-configured development environments. Its strength lies in zero setup and seamless collaboration, but it has limitations: no offline support, restricted local control, free tier resource caps, and its AI is less powerful than Cursor's. On the other hand, Cursor is a robust desktop IDE designed for professional developers needing full control. It understands entire code bases, enables multi-file refactoring, integrates with GitHub workflows, offers advanced AI chat, multi-model support, privacy mode, and a generous free hobby tier. It cons include a learning curve, desktop-only mode, environment, and occasional performance hiccups with large projects. In summary, choose Replete if you want a browser-based collaborative environment with AI assistance, and choose Cursor if you need deep AI-powered code automation, privacy, and control over serious projects. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.